Hello viewers, this is Kingone I pencil for my iPad 10th generation. I have been using this iPencil for a couple of months and I am getting a very satisfactory results. In order to activate this pen, you have to double tap on the screen, and actually it is a very good size. It fits very well in your hand. It has all the features that is available with iPencil. The price of this product is about 1.5k, but during offers you can buy this iPencil at about 1.2k or less. Using this iPencil, the writing experience on my iPad 10th generation is very good. If you open the tip, you can get like this, and also you will get 3 more tips available inside the box, so that is an added advantage. So if you accidentally break the tip of this pencil, you can use another one, as there are 3 extra tips. And here in this hole you can charge your iPencil with Type-C port, and actually it supports fast charging, so you can charge up to 100% within 1 hour. Also, the battery backup of this iPencil is very good, so you will have no problem whatsoever while writing on your iPad, and the charging capacity is very good. You can do all your tasks on iPad 10th generation or any other iPad. Along with iPad you will not get any iPencil, so you have to buy original iPencil, or you can buy third-party iPencil. So this Kingone pencil actually suffices the need of my writing experience, and also the writing experience on the default note app using this pencil is very satisfactory. You have all the options inside the note app and you can use them according to your preference, and you will have a very good latency along with this iPencil. But there will be a hollow sound whenever you tap on the screen of iPad 10th generation. Though it is not a problem with the iPencil, this problem occurs due to the gap between the main glass and the touch panel. So if you are a student, you will have a great experience and you can enjoy writing on the screen of iPad. Many users want to know whether Scribble feature is available along with this Kingone iPencil. The answer is yes, you can use the Scribble feature with this Kingone iPencil and it works perfectly well. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to buy this iPencil during sale, I will let you know about the latest offers on this. So stay subscribed with this channel to get notified about the new deals. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.